Now the first question in the test, find x if 4x plus 8, 2x square plus 3x plus 6 and 3x square plus 4x plus 4 are in AP. So they have said these three are in AP, we have to find the value of x. So one unknown, we just need one equation. So how do we make equation out of this? These are the three terms of an AP, right? So second term minus first term will be equal to third term minus second term, right? Because D. So we do 2x square plus 3x plus 6 minus, since we are subtracting, I'll put brackets, 4x plus 8. This should be equal to this minus this. That is 3x square plus 4x plus 4 minus, again brackets, 2x square plus 3x plus 6. Now we have 2x square plus 3x plus 6 minus 4x minus 8. And here 3x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 2x square minus 3x minus 6. Now like terms. Okay, here is just 2x square, 3x minus 4x minus x, 6 minus 8 minus 2 will be equal to 3x square minus 2x square, x square, 4x minus 3x plus x, 4 minus 6 minus 2. Now plus x, this will be plus x, minus 2 cancels. Why? When I take minus 2 on the other side, it becomes plus 2, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Now I bring all terms on one side, so it becomes 2x square minus x square, that is x square minus x, this becomes minus x, minus 2x equal to 0. Now I take x common, x minus 2 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, I am finding the roots. So which means x equal to 0 and x minus 2 equal to 0, which means x equal to 2. So the two values of x are 0 and 2. Either of them will satisfy this condition. Now the second question, if 5 times the fifth term, 5 times the fifth term, so 5 times a of 5 of an AP is equal to 10 times the 10th term, equal to 10 times the 10th term. So 10 times a of 10. If these two are equal, show that its 15th term is 0. So we have to show a of 15 equal to 0. Now if you observe, we do not know a and d. There are two unknowns, but we have only one condition, which means what? This is a kind of problem where you have to put a in terms of d. Alright. So I'll show it now. 5 into a of 5 is a plus n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1, 4d, equal to 10 into a of 10, that is a plus 9d, 10 minus 1, 9. So 5 ones are 2s are. So I have a plus 4d equal to 2a plus 18d. I transpose a on this side, 18d on this side. So I get minus 18d plus 4d equal to 2a minus a by transposing these two. So I have minus 14d equal to a. So I got relation between a and d. Now just they have asked us to prove the 15th term, just find the 15th term, just apply the formula. A of 5 will be a of 15 will be a plus 14d, n minus 1 will be 14. Now what do we know? A is minus 14d, so we'll substitute plus 14d. So minus 14 plus 14, d is 0. So we have proved 15th term is 0. Now the third question, the sum of 5th and 7th terms of an AP is 52. Sum of 5th and 7th terms of an AP is 52. And its 10th term is 46. So A of 10 is 46. Find the AP. So now again we do not know A and D, but two conditions have been given. So it's easy to solve. A of 5 will be A plus 4D plus A of 7 will be A plus 6D. How did I get this 4? N minus 1D. So 5 minus 1. How did I get this 6? 7 minus 1. equal to 52. So I have 2a plus 10d equal to 52. I can take 2 common. It becomes a plus 5d equal to 52. So 2 ones are 26 are. So I have a plus 5d equal to 26. This would have become division on the other side. Now this is our first equation. Second equation, a of 10 is 46. So a plus 9d equal to 46. We got our second equation. Now we'll solve using both equations. So a plus 5d equal to 26. Now using elimination method, I'll eliminate a. Both values are same, so I'll just subtract directly. This becomes 0. 9 minus 5, 4d equal to 46 minus 26, 20. So d is equal to 20 by 4, that is 5. We got the value of d. Using this, I'll find the value of a. So a plus 5d. So 5 into 5, 25 equal to 26. So a equal to 26 minus 25. So we got a equal to 1. Now they had asked us to find the AP, which means we need to find the first 3 terms. So the AP is, first term is 1, second term will be a plus d, that is 1 plus 5, 6. Third term will be second term plus d, 6 plus 5, 11. So that is the AP. Now the fourth question, find the sum of all 3-digit positive numbers divisible by 7. So sum of all 3-digit, which is the first 3-digit number 100, last one is 99. We have to find the sum of all 3-digit numbers divisible by 7, which means what? Our first term will be the first 3-digit number divisible by 7. So I'll do 100 and divided by 7, 1s are 7, 30, 4s are 28, which means the remainder is 2. Which means I'll have to add, the remainder is 2, for it to be divisible by 7, I'll have to add 5 to this 2 to make it 7, right? So I need to add 5 to 100. So the first number divisible by 7 will be 105. We got our A. Now the last 3-digit number is 999. To find the last 3-digit number divisible by 7, we have to divide by 7. So 1s are 7. 29, 4s are 28, 1, 9, 2s are 14, 9 minus 4, 5. So the remainder is 5, which means we need to remove 5 from this to find the previous number that is divisible by 7. So 999 minus 5, so L is 994, right? So we got our first and last term. What will be D? Since all these are multiples of 7, each number will increase by 7, which means D is 7. We just need to find their sum. To find sum, we need to know the value of n. How many terms are there? We know the last term, so we can use that to find the value of n. The nth value of the last term gives us the total number of terms. So a of n is 994 equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 7. I transpose this, so I have to subtract 105 from this. So what do I get? 14 minus 5, 9, 8, 8. So I get 889 equal to 7n minus 7. I transpose minus 7 here, it becomes plus 7. So 9 plus 7 is 16, 1, 9, 896. So n equal to 896 by 7. 7 ones are, here also ones are 19. So 2s are 14. 19 minus 4 is 5, 56. So 8. So I got the value of n as 128. So now we have to find s of 128, that is equal to 128 by 2, n by 2 into a plus n, because I know the first and last term. So 105 plus 994. So 2 ones are 64s are. So 64 and 994 plus 105, 991099. So multiplying these two, okay, I'll multiply it here, 1099 into 64. 9 fours are 36, 36 plus 3, 39, 0 plus 3, 3, 4. And 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54 plus 5, 59, 0 plus 5, 5, 6. So 6, 3, 1, 10, 13, 1, 10, 1, 7. So the answer is 70,336. Now the fifth problem from test 3. If 8th term of an AP is 37, so they are given us A of 8 equal to 37. And the 15th term is 15 more. Oh, okay, the 15th term. This is 15 more than the 12th term. This is 15 more than this. Means what? If we have to make it equal, we have to remove 15 from this. Then it will become equal to the 12th term. Or you can add 15 to this to make it equal to the 15th term. Either ways. Find the AP, hence find the sum of first 15 terms. So we have to find the AP, then we have to find S of 15. Now again, two unknowns, A and D, two equations easy to find. So A of 8 will be A plus 7D equal to 37. We already got our first equation. Here we have A of 15, that is A plus 14D minus 15 equal to A plus 11D. A and A will cancel. I'll transpose this over here. So I get 14D minus 11D equal to plus 15. I transpose it on the other side. 3D equal to 15. D equal to 15 by 3, that is 5. So we didn't even need to use elimination method. Since A got cancelled, we already got the value of D. Substituting in this, A plus 7 into 5, 35 equal to 37. A equal to 37 minus 35, that is 2. So we found A and D. Now we just have to find S of 15. So S of 15 will be equal to N, that is 15 by 2 into 2A, that is 2 into 2, 4 plus N minus 1, that is 15 minus 1, 14 into D, that is 5. So I have 15 by 2 into 4 plus 0 to 70. Alright. So I have 15 by 2 into 74. 2 ones are, 3s are, 7s are. So 15 into 37. So I'll just do it here. 7 5s are 35, 15, 18, 37. 5, 15, 555. So the answer is 555. Oh, but we didn't find the AP, guys. So we'll just find the AP also. A is 2. This will be the AP. The second term will be 2 plus 5, 7. And the third term will be 7 plus 5, 12. So the AP is 2, 7, 12. And the sum of first 15 terms is 555. Okay. Now the sixth problem. In an AP, the sum of first 10 terms is minus 150. Sum of first 10 terms is minus 150. So we already know it's a decreasing AP. And the sum of its next 10 terms is minus 550. So S of 11th term to 20 term is minus 550. Find the AP. So now we have two conditions to find A and D. Now this is simple. What about this? This sum is from 11th term to 20th term. So how do we simplify? S of 20 minus S of 10 will be equal to minus 550. This is the sum only from 11 to 20. So if we take sum of all 20 and subtract the sum of first 10, we'll get this. So now we have it clearly. We'll apply the formulas. S of 10 minus 150 equal to n by 2, that is 10 by 2, 5 into 2a plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, 9 into d. Now 5 ones are, 30s are. So what do we have? 2a plus 9d equal to minus 30 from here. This is our first equation. Second equation, S of 20, that is 20 by 2, right? Into 2a plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1, 19d minus S of 10, that is 10 by 2. I'll put big bracket here because minus sign is there. Into S of, again S of 10. Okay, actually what we can do is, since it's S of 10 minus, we can directly substitute the value of S of 10. That is minus 150 equal to minus 550. So this is 10. So I get 10 into 2a plus 19d minus into minus plus 150 equal to minus 550. I transpose plus 150 there. So I get 10 into 2a plus 19d equal to minus 550 minus 150. So 10 into 2a plus 19d equal to minus 0, 0, 1, 2 plus 5 minus 700. 10 ones are 70s are. So I get our second equation, that is 2a plus 19d equal to minus 70. So I'll just write it here, 2a plus 19d equal to minus 70. Now using elimination method, a values are same, so I can directly subtract and eliminate a. So here it will be plus 9 minus 19 minus 10d equal to minus 30 plus 70, 40, right, plus 40. So d is equal to 40 by minus 10, that is minus 4. So d is negative because we already knew that it's a decreasing AP. Now we found d using this equation. First one, I'll find the value of a. So 2a into 9d, that is 9 into minus 4 minus 36 equal to minus 30. So 2a equal to minus 30 plus 36 when it transposes, so plus 6. So a equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Now I have found a and d, we can find the AP. The AP is, first term is 3, second term 3 plus of minus 4, so 3 minus 4 minus 1, then minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. So we've got the AP. Okay, now the seventh and the last problem from this test. The fifth term of an AP is 1. So a of 5 is 1. And its 31st term is minus 77. So a of 31 is minus 77. Which term of the AP is minus 17? So which term of the AP is minus 17? Which term means what? We have to find the value of n, which term it is. So to find a and d, a and d we need to find. A of 5 is 1, means a plus 4d equal to 1. We already have our first equation. A of 31 is minus 77, which means a plus 30d equal to minus 77. Now I'll write a plus 4d over here. A plus 4d equal to 1. A values are same, so I'll cancel. So signs change. This cancels. 30 minus 4, 26d equal to minus 78. So d equal to minus 78 by 26. Right? So 13s are 3 and 18. 39s are. 13 ones are 3s are. So the value of d is minus 3. From this equation, I will find the value of a. A plus 4d. 4 into minus 3, minus 12 equal to 1. So a equal to 1 plus 12, that is 13. So we know a and d now. So we can find which term it is. So minus 17, that's our a of n, equal to a, that is 13, plus n minus 1 into d, that is minus 3. When I transpose 13 on that side, it becomes minus 13, minus 17, minus 13, minus 30 equal to minus 3n plus 3. When I open the brackets, plus 3 comes this side, it becomes minus 3 and the total becomes minus 33 equal to minus 3n. So n is equal to, minus minus signs cancel, 33 by 3. So n equal to 11, which means minus 17 is the 11th term of this AP.